taking a look to last week trading performance. As I showed you in the last video, I'm already trading phase 2 account. That means I'm left with 5% profit target to get the funded account. Taking a look to history of the last week. These are the last two trades you saw in the last video. This one right here and another one right here. These are 8 losses and 9 break-evens. Let's have a quick talk about my trading performance of the last week. So there is a really simple reason behind that why I'm in minus 3% on my balance, as you saw. Technically, without doing any mistakes, I should be in positive. And why is that? So I did 3 mistakes. First mistake was on Monday, I missed a winner. So I was just talking with my dad, little chat, like 5 minutes. And I'm sitting in front of my computer, in front of the charts. I'm speaking to him and taking a look back at the end of the conversation. And I see that price drops below my entry. And I instantly thought, yes, I missed a fucking trade and there is no way to price going back to my entry. I missed a winner. That's the first mistake. The second mistake was I entered 2 unnecessary trades which were losses. I usually have to place my entry with a little gap to not take me into the position with the spread. And that's what happened. My entry point was too close and spread took me into the position and it instantly got back to the stop loss. And that happened 2 times. My entry point should be right here. But candle is really close to my entry, but it's not hitting technically the entry. But the spread still takes me into the position. I should leave a bigger gap to not take me in with the spread. And the third mistake, when the price created a really strong bearish candle, I thought most of the time when this big candle appears, market does not stop and does not go instantly to the break even. And I thought I will make a little bit bigger take profit target than usual and then not by my rules. And guess what? The price created that big candle and got back instantly to the break even. By my rules, I would be exited from my position with a good profit. And yeah, just missed another winner. So these 3 mistakes cost me around 6% return. So instead of minus 3%, I would be in 3% profit right now. And looking from the bright side, I know that my system works. And I'm really confident that without these type of mistakes, I'll be funded pretty soon. So yeah, going for a run, still keeping that consistency, not only with the work, with the grind, but also with my body, healthy mind. So yeah, going for a run, move people, do some exercise, go to the gym, go for a jog, go for a little walk, get out of these distractions, social media, cut off that bullshit just for a moment. Be with yourself, with your thoughts, and you know, maybe some really smart ideas will come to you. And moving, exercising, of course, correctly, will be always healthy. So keep that movement, keep your healthy body and healthy mind. And for the end, let's do 20 push-ups. Guess what? It's not the end of the video. So right now I'm filming after 2 to 3 weeks, around that period. I was in holiday with my family in Poland. And with friends camping. And that took around 2 to 3 weeks. My trading performance at that period, it wasn't the best, it was pretty poor. In the family holiday, yes, there was some days I can check the market, wait for the setups, and there was some days when I'm waiting constantly, like maybe half of the day, maybe we're doing something less at that exact day. But when I was camping with my friends, I was always outside, moving, doing something. There was no trading at all. In the family holiday, as I said, there was some days when I can really watch and look for the setups. But the thing which happened, I failed my phase 2 challenge. I can't technically say I failed it because I'm left with minus 0.5% to my max drawdown limit. So I need only 1 loss to lose that challenge. So I can already say I lost it. Who knows, maybe I will start getting some win streak instantly right at that point when I'm left with 0.5% to my max drawdown limit. Of course, I'm not expecting that, but who knows. My mistakes bothers me more than failing the challenge in itself, because I know the mistakes were not that hard to avoid, and I still didn't. Out of lack of attentiveness, not being that perspicacious, and that is crazy how I can still do these type of mistakes. What's my plan? I still have another 10k active challenge, so I will continue trading on it. And of course, I will do some reflections of the previous weeks of the trading, just test it, where I missed some trades, where I could take less losses, where I could take more winners, and just reflecting and getting some feedback around my mistakes, because I have to, not just I failed the challenge and move on, continue trading without any reflection. I will reflect, analyze, and of course improve on my strategy. When I was in holiday with my family, there was some days I didn't really want to be there, because I'm really pissed about not making money with trading. It's pretty hard to be in that moment, enjoy when you are not really deserving these things, but the rest is really important. And after that, making better decisions, because you have to have that ability to be in the present moment, because then you will really rest. The life will be way more pleasurable and you will get way better quality of rest. And I'm literally speaking to myself. So yeah, that's the end of the video, and see you later.